All right, so here comes the tow truck out in the distance. I don't know what's happening. We'll see. It's Lisa. Hey Lee, do you mind stopping?
He's so funny. He says, we're not deaf. You don't have to shout. But we couldn't hear you.
No, I heard that. I heard that. Hey, how's Daisy doing? Daisy, you doing well?
Daisy, you okay?
Okay, Lee, he's coming. Did he have to remove the axle?
So where did he put it? Where your pickup is?
School busting.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's happening. Hello, baby. You thought I was giving you away, huh? No, no one's giving you away. No one. You're gonna stay with me forever. Forever. Ever. So we're gonna be parking her. My God, that's a beautiful tow truck. Holy Jesus Christ. It's beautiful as hell. That's the driver. And this is the spot.
Are you done shooting?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna pause. Okay, so this man is phenomenal. He managed to get this. Whoops. Okay, no.